What's up my people, today I'll be showing you how to make 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira daily using an app called DP2P. Before we proceed, I am Barnabas and welcome to Barnabas Hustle. Here we'll teach you how to make money from the comfort of your home in the easiest way. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more arbitrage and crypto videos. So in the wake of March 2022, the community of arbitrage traders in Nigeria received a heavy blow following either the restriction or a great reduction in spending limit of the naira debit card for international transaction by Nigerian banks. Very disappointing, I must say, but if you watch this video to the very end, you'll learn how to perform seamless cardless arbitrage. As I said earlier on, we're going to be using an app called DP2P, meaning derived peer-to-peer, developed by derive.com. Derive.com is one of the world's largest online brokers. Using the website, customers can trade currencies, stocks, commodities and even cryptocurrencies. So Derive basically developed the P2P to provide their client with an easy way to make deposit into and out of their Derive account. So real quick, you can actually do this and earn money regardless of where you are in the world, provided Derive.com offer their services in your country, because you're going to be using your local currency a lot. So for me, I'm in Nigeria. Like I said, the DP2P was created mainly for deposits and withdrawals by Derive.com for their clients. So how does it work and how do we make money with this platform? The clients intending to make deposit into their Derive account simply come here to purchase in USD. Likewise, when they want to withdraw, they simply come here to sell their Derive funds, which is usually also in USD. This could be profits they have made after trading. So this is their DP2P platform. I've made a video which the link is in the description below. Kindly check it out because it's all about the mastery of the platform. So I'm not going to be talking about what this icon mean and what they stand for. I'll just go straight to how you can just make money from this platform by following these simple steps I'll be sharing. Alright people, without further ado, let's dive into it. Please pay rapid attention because we are going into the main deal. Now, like I said earlier on, for Derive.com clients to deposit into their trading account with Derive, they have to come to Derive P2P to buy USD. It simply means if one is a Derive client from Nigeria, what they need to do is they come here to buy USD using their local currency, which is naira. Now, all these people you're seeing here, it's people selling USD. They are all selling USD. Now each and every one of them individually decided to put their USD at different rates. So it simply means if you are a Derive client, you want to buy USD, you have to send them naira in order for you to receive USD. So if you're, let's make use of an example of this person here, Tama. The person is selling one USD for 565 naira. It means if you're funding about or depositing about 1,000 USD to your Derive account, you will send 565,000 naira to Tama. That's the equivalent of 1,000 USD. Alright, so this is how Derive clients deposit into their account. They come here to buy from people. Now likewise, when they want to withdraw, they come here to sell to people. There are people here who are always on standby to buy USD from the clients. Right, so since we are in Nigeria, I am in Nigeria, if I happen to be a Derive client and I want to withdraw from my Derive trading account, what I want to do is to come here. I will look for someone whose rate I think is good for me, and then I will sell my USD to the person. Now let's assume this person said he's buying USD at the rate of 610. It means if I'm withdrawing my 1,000 USD, it's same thing as selling to him. I'll be getting 610,500 naira. That's the equivalent of the USD. So all he needs to do is to send the funds to my account, because one thing with Derive is after signing up with the Derive P2P, they provide you a place to put in your account number and everything. Alright, so this is actually my profile. So this is where the profit is, guys. This is where the profit is. Derive.com have given you leverage as a registered customer with them. As you can see, I'm fully verified for them to post an ad for a buy, or a sell. Now if I want to get USD from a direct client, I will put an ad whereby that I want to buy USD from anybody, from any client who is willing to withdraw. Do you understand? Let's say I want to buy 100 USD from whoever it is I want to withdraw at the rate of 500, and then the minimum order which I'm buying, that's the minimum amount of USD which I'm buying, let's say is 10 USD, and then the maximum is 100. Alright, now the Arbitrage also provided this space, telling your customer or someone who is willing to withdraw through you or sell to you, just tell them, like for me, I wrote this, call me or chat me up on WhatsApp in case you ever need more use in the future, or have your contact saved and return to you based on I know you before. So this is where the button is. Here you can see add payment method. So the moment I add a payment method, as I'm paying through my bank transfer, that's when you see this post add. I'm going to, since this is for just example sake, I'm going to make this 2 million per USD. Okay, 2 million naira for 1 USD. So you see perfect example of what I'm talking about here. So I post my ad. Now whoever I want to sell his USD or withdraw USD through me, or is interested in selling or withdrawing his USD, the person will come here. Guys, can you see this? I'm here. So if the person sees me here and likes my rate, all they need to do is click on sell USD. The reason why you're not seeing this sell USD beside my own name is because this is my own account, so I can't possibly see it. So just click on sell USD and immediately click on sell USD. The account details will be provided to me automatically by derive.com, and then I will send in the money. The USD now will be held by escrow, until the person confirms that yes, okay, he or she has received the money, and then you click on confirm. Then Derive will now release the USD to me, and once the USD is released to me, I'll see it here to show you my balance. Now imagine I buy at rate of 500 naira. Let me do this. Imagine I buy at 500, and then coming here, I create another ad to sell for 560. I want to sell, after buying 100 USD, I want to sell it for 560. Minimum order I want to sell is 100. I don't want anyone buying for me from 10, 20. I want to sell everything at once. It's 100. After that, I'll add my payment method. That's the method which I want to use to receive payments. I will put my bank. So the number of bank transfer. Then what you do is put your account number, your bank name, and then the branch. After that, you click on add here. So after doing that, whoever wants to deposit into his or her Derive account will come here and select and look for you to buy from in order to deposit into his account. All these people are all having USD to sell to Derive clients who are interested in depositing to their account. Now guys, don't forget we bought it at 500, was now 1260. It means on every we bought at 560, was at 500, we bought at 500, we're selling at 560. It means we are making 60 naira on every USD. Now imagine you bought 100 USD at 500, that's 50,000 naira. Then you sell this 100 USD at 560. this is 56,000 naira minus the 50,000 naira which you spent in getting the 100 USD. Your profit is approximately 6,000 naira. All right, now let's go to my past orders and see how my past orders were like. Now on the 4th of March, I sold 41 USD. I sold 50 USD. This is all 4th of March. I bought 91 USD. I sold 45 USD. I sold another 55 USD. I bought 100 USD. I sold 100 USD. I bought another 100 USD. Now this is over 400 to 500 naira transaction for just 4th of March. I will leave you to guess the profit I made on that day. Let's go down to February. Okay, on the 16th of February, I sold 100 USD. I sold 63 USD, sold 80 USD, and then 2, then I bought 500 USD. Imagine how much I've made on this 500 USD. On the 15th, I sold 98 USD, sold 5 USD, sold 200, sold 26, sold 20, sold 100, sold 50, bought 500 USD. So guys, you can see this is volume, no fugazi. So you might be worried about the whole volume and everything. Yes, to be very honest with you, the volume on Derive P2P is not as much as that compared to Binance P2P, but there's ridiculous money here, guys. If you want to get a better understanding of how this platform works and you want to get the mastery of it all, like I said, the link to the video which I made is in the description below. Just click on it and just watch it. It's very simple and it's very short. All right, so if you have any comments, please open to it. Type in your comment in the comment section, your question, put it in the comment section, and I'll be there to answer your question. Hopefully this helps you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so you receive this kind of videos whenever I upload them.